Hey, designers, let's create this fire effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's fill the background with the black color first. Now take a new layer. Take the text tool. Select the white color. OK. Write the text. I'll write fire here. Now press Ctrl T to transform. Rotate it like this. I'll move it down a bit. Now press Enter. Go to Filter. Stylize, Wind. Convert to Smart Object. Copy the same options. OK. Again, I'll go to Filter and select Wind. You might not be needing to apply the same effect again. I needed to apply it because my canvas and the font is too big for this filter to apply only once. Filter. Wind will be on the top now. Select it again. OK, perfect. Now go to Fire Layer. Right-click and rasterize layer. Press Ctrl T to transform. Now rotate it. Press Enter. Go to Filter. Distort. Ripple. I'll give it 200 value. Go to Image. Mode. Grayscale. Merge. Discard. Again, go to Image. Mode. Indexed color. OK. Again, Image. Mode. Color table. Change it to black body. OK. You're done. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe.